Everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how you could use Instagram to do polls within the Instagram stories to gather feedback from your followers. Let's go to Instagram and show you how to take polls. You could do yes no polls, or you could ask people different questions within the polls, and people could tap it in their story and vote on that. So I'm going to go my home here and tap on my profile photo on the left corner, and I'm gonna use one photo here. For example, this. And I'm going to run poll against this picture. So you need to swipe up and you have this poll option. I'm going to run the poll, and for example, it looks up. So you got to do is, so I'll just type out my question, does it look appetizing? And your answer could be anything. It doesn't have to be yes or no. But in this case, yes or no makes sense. But you could really have anything in those two options. There is a character limit. Let me just type out for example. So just to show you, this is the limit. So in this case, it's a yes or no question. And this is a great way to get engagement from your followers on Instagram. Now I'm just going to press done here, and you could place this anywhere to make it somewhere that's easily readable. You could resize it just like you would with any other sticker. I'm going to put this here, and you could write more text on it. You could put additional stickers on it, but next, what you want to do is send this to your story. And just like you would do with other story posts, I'm going to go ahead and send it. So you can send it to your friends as well. And now, if I go to my story here, I could answer yes. So I'm the only one that answered so far. So it's only going to have my answer. It doesn't have any views or vote, just the one that I voted on, just to show you. And you could share the results. And you could always delete it here in the garbage can. You can delete it here. I hope you found this useful. So that is how you gather feedback from your followers. I hope you found this useful. So that is how you gather feedback from your followers. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel.